The origins of golf are somewhat debated, but there's no disputing the fact that the Scots are the ones who popularized the game. It became so popular that in 1467, the Scottish Parliament passed an act banning golf because it was taking time from archery practice necessary for national defense. The ban was widely ignored. Ironically, the first manufactured golf club was made by Scottish bowmaker William Mayne, who was appointed clubmaker to the court of King James in 1603. While the principle behind the game has changed very little, the equipment used to play golf has changed dramatically through the years. In its earliest forms, the game was played with wooden clubs and feather balls. Contrast that with today's composite clubs and high-tech composite balls. While many have embraced these advances in technology, there is a growing group who prefer the equipment and simplicity of yesteryear, namely, using wooden clubs that mimic the design of the original golf clubs. This style of golf has been nicknamed by many hickory golf, recalling times when winning was simply a matter of knocking on wood. The process of making a wooden golf club begins with, well, a piece of wood. Many types of wood can be used, the most popular being persimmon, laminated maple, and a host of other exotic woods. The block of wood is rough cut into the basic shape of a golf club head, and then placed on a duplicating machine. This is a machine which uses a master model as a pattern to machine duplicates. After this process is completed, the workman removes the head from the mount and removes the remaining excess material with a bandsaw and a sander. Following this step, spaces are cut for the plastic face insert. This insert will protect the striking face of the golf club against the impact with modern composite balls. After this, the head moves to the next station to receive another layer of protection, a metal bottom plate. This plate helps protect the wood against damage while playing on varying types of surfaces. The space in which this piece fits is cut out and a hole is drilled in which molten lead will be added to make the head the proper weight. The weight of the club must be exact and is very important in the feel and balance of the club. After the head weighs in, the bottom plate is attached. After the plate is attached, the craftsman then sands it to remove any excess material and create a smooth surface across the bottom of the club. Following this step, the head is prepped for the attachment of the handle. First, a hole is drilled and a sleeve is inserted for the handle shaft. Or, if you are a true traditionalist, the handle is spliced onto the head and attached with glue and sinew bound. The face of the head is then scored to provide a textured surface on the striking face. A stain is then applied to the wood, following which a pasty substance is rubbed over the head to fill the pores in the wood. A workman then sends it down the line to be coated with polyurethane. The whole club is fine-tuned by a master craftsman for weight and balance. Minor adjustments are made to the club until it feels right. This wooden club is now up to par.